food chains. In nature, it is observed that one organism is the food of another. This series or organism taking part at various biotic levels form a food chain. For example, here is a simple food chain where plant is eaten by deer and deer is eaten by tiger. This is a simple 3-step food chain. Now, we can see that plants are the plants at each level. In the each food chain, plants are the autotrophic organism which capture solar energy and convert it into food through photosynthesis, and this passes to all the heterotrophs which form the other levels of this thing. Let us take an example. Here there is a simple food chain. I told you this is the 5-step food chain, which consists of plants eaten by insects. Insects in turn are eaten by frog is eaten by snake, and in the end the snake is eaten by eagle. These different steps are called as trophic levels. Let us see how many trophic levels are there. What are they? First of all, example, we will see that the plants are the producers, which are autotrophs, and they form the first trophic level. Then insects they are the primary consumers, they are herbivores, and they form the second trophic level. Then we come to frog, which form the secondary consumers, and they form the third trophic level. Then we come to the snake, or this is the tertiary consumer, and form the fourth trophic level. Then there is a top carnivore, which is eagle, and it forms the fifth trophic level. So we see one thing here, we can see that energy trapped by plant passes to all the above trophic levels. The green plant capture about 1% of the solar energy of sunlight, and which passes when green plants are eaten by primary consumers, some amount of heat is lost to the environment, and some is utilized by the organism for its metabolic functions, and only 10% of the food eaten in turn is converted into his own body and available for the next level. Therefore, 10% can be taken as the average value for the amount of organic matter which passes to each steps, and also 10% energy which passes to next trophic level. Thus, since little energy is available for the next level, next levels of consumers, the food chains usually consist of 3 or 4 steps only.